It's the craziest way someone has tried to make your life worse. I had a neighbor who was a menace to society, loud, obnoxious, and had the self-awareness of a brick. One night, I was trying to sleep, but his party was so loud it felt like my walls entered the bass-boosted dimension. I'm talking 10 speakers, screaming, and what sounded like a microphone being dropped repeatedly. I put up with it for an hour. Then I did what any reasonable person would do. I called the cops. The party got shut down, and the silence was beautiful. I slept like a baby. The next night, I got woken up at 3 a.m. by a loud knock at my door. I opened it to see two cops. "Sir, we've had complaints about loud music coming from your house." I blinked. From my house? I had been asleep, like dead to the world. Then I saw him, my neighbor, standing behind them, shaking his head like he was so disappointed in me. "Officer, I really hate to complain, but it's been going on all night." He even did the fake "I'm just a concerned citizen" sigh. "Buddy, you were literally hosting an entire concert in your backyard 24 hours ago." The cop was starting to believe him. I could see it happening in real time. So I smiled. "Give me 1 second." I pulled up my security camera footage, scrolled through the entire night. Not a single sound. The cops looked at the footage, then at both of us. He started sweating. Well, maybe." The cop turned to him and said, "Lie to us again, and you're going to jail." He froze. Then he did the slowest walk of shame back to his house. I stood there, watching him. The cops left. I leaned against my doorframe, cracked my neck, and then yelled, "Hey, keep it down over there." He slammed his door shut. Never saw him throw a party again. But I did see his house go up for sale a few months later. Guess he didn't like the neighborhood anymore.